Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get bonbons in Pokémon Go. First, the most common way is simply catching Pokémon. Each catch grants you 3 bonbons for that species. If you catch an evolved form, you can earn 5 or even 10 bonbons. To maximize this, always use a pinup berry before catching, which doubles your bonbon haul. Also, higher-level wild Pokémon have a better chance of giving you valuable XL bonbons. Another excellent method is walking with your buddy Pokémon. Assign any Pokémon as your buddy, and it will find bonbons as you walk. The distance needed for one bonbon varies by species, typically 1, 3, or 5 kilometers. If your buddy becomes excited, that distance is cut in half, letting you earn bonbons much faster. You can earn up to 20 kilometers worth of bonbons every 6 hours. Hatching eggs is another reliable way to get bonbons. The amount you receive depends on the egg type. For example, a 2-kilometer egg can give up to 15 bonbons, while a 10-kilometer egg might yield up to 32. Additionally, transferring any extra Pokémon to the professor will reward you with 1 bonbon for that species. Hatching eggs also provides a chance for those crucial XL bonbons. Finally, rare bonbons are incredibly versatile. They can be transformed into any Pokémon-specific bonbon. You can earn these valuable items by successfully completing raid battles or by finishing various field research tasks. Keep an eye out for special in-game events, as these often feature boosted bonbon rewards for catching or hatching. Trading Pokémon with friends also offers a chance to receive XL bonbons, with longer distances increasing your odds.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.